In the ashes of World War II, Europe lay shattered and divided, the scars of conflict etched deep into the hearts of its people. The specter of another war loomed large, as tensions between the Soviet Union and the Western Allies escalated. In response to this looming crisis, a group of visionary leaders gathered to forge a new alliance, an alliance that would stand as a bulwark against the threats of the Cold War. On April 4, 1949, in the heart of Washington, D.C., representatives from Belgium, Canada, France, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, and the United Kingdom signed the North Atlantic Treaty, thus establishing the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO. The United States joined the alliance the following day, underscoring its commitment to the security and stability of Europe. The treaty's preamble declared that the parties agree that an armed attack against one or more of them in Europe or North America shall be considered an attack against them all. This collective defense principle was a cornerstone of NATO's mission, a promise that the alliance would stand together in the face of aggression. The creation of NATO was a bold move, a testament to the power of diplomacy and cooperation in the face of adversity. It was a beacon of hope for a continent still reeling from the horrors of war, a symbol of unity in a world divided. In the years that followed, NATO would grow, expanding its membership to include Germany, Greece, Spain, Turkey, and many other nations. It would weather the storms of the Cold War, serving as a buffer between the West and the Soviet Union. It would intervene in conflicts, from the Balkans to Afghanistan, always striving to uphold its core values of democracy, human rights, and rule of law. Today, NATO stands as a symbol of the West's commitment to peace and security, a testament to the power of unity in the face of adversity. Its origins may be rooted in the ashes of war, but its mission is one of hope, of a world where nations stand together in the pursuit of a common goal, a world free from the specter of conflict. The creation of NATO was not just a historical event, it was a turning point, a moment where the world chose to come together in the face of uncertainty. It was a moment that embodied the spirit of cooperation and unity, a moment that still resonates today. And as we look to the future, we can only hope that the legacy of NATO continues to inspire us, reminding us of the power we have when we stand together.